Welcome to our channel
and welcome to day 4 of our USA trip.
We're having a good time so far, a very good time indeed. We're just hydrating quickly before we check out of the hotel here in Vegas. But the party doesn't stop there, does it?
No. So yesterday was the wedding day, which you'd have already seen. That'll be the first thing which goes out.
Ta-da!
My hair didn't want a middle part today, no idea why. So I've had to just slick it back. I'm going to wash it tonight when we get to the hotel. But yeah, we've got a day in Vegas. We've got to go to the airport about 3:30, should I say?
3:30, yeah.
So we've got a day to do things. It's nearly 10 o'clock now, and then we're flying back to LA tonight, and then we spend the night before flying. So we're excited tomorrow, but that'll be tomorrow's vlog.
We're actually this morning going to go and pick up a suitcase.
Yeah.
The suitcase
stupidly thought
we'd be fine with one and
big one and 2 little ones.
But you know, things happen, you pick up things, and this early on into the trip we're kidding ourselves if we think we're not going to buy more things.
We're already like
over the limit.
I mean, our like we bought this handheld scale thing. It's definitely not working because like it keeps going from like 25 to 27 to 32.
So it's not as good as me holding the case on the scales, but obviously we don't have those facilities here. So we thought, you know, we'll play it safe. There's loads of shops nearby. We'll pick up a case, and we basically said we're just going to spend the rest of the time in Vegas going down the strip, going in some shops, or you know, touristy things that we might want to do to finish the time.
And the whole case thing, it's dirt cheap to add them onto like the America flights. I think it's about like £20, £25 I've had to pay to add the pink case on. So it's only another £25, and we've already got the 2 more in the USA flights. I don't know what you call them, like not out of the country. Domestic. I can't remember what the word was.
Domestic flights.
And then obviously on the British Airways flight, you get them for anyway, so not that deep. So we don't have to pay for like 2 on American Airlines, which weren't that expensive anyway.
No, they were like cheap, weren't they? So it's definitely worth it because
it's not working.
I mean, we're going to go.
We tried our best.
We're going to go shops this morning, so we're probably going to pick up stuff. So it's like we might as well.
And the thing is, if this wasn't like a big trip, because obviously now we've got like the suit and we've got a dress and we've got like shoes and just
everything.
I know, like if it wasn't such like a special trip, let's say, we could have like packed down like lighter, but we haven't. We just haven't.
We've got to work with it.
It's our own fault.
You just got to deal with it. So that's what we're going to go and do. We're going to check out, hit the strip, buy a suitcase, and some other exciting things.
And just go on a wander, see what we'll get up to.
So come along with us.
Set plans.
We're going to go and enjoy the last few hours in Vegas.
We're outside. We have checked the bags in the valley downstairs, which is handy because that's where we have to get an Uber from back to the airport.
And you can check all of them, which some hotels you can't.
Yeah, it's a secure place, so we've left our like big hand luggage as well because who wants to help around like our hand luggage are locked?
No, not me.
Anyway, we're gonna make our way up. We've parked the hotel. We're gonna go left up towards like towards Mandalay Bay, that end of the strip, the Welcome to Las Vegas sign, because there's a shop want to go there, and there's also a Ross Dress for Less. They might have a suitcase because they did have them in Orlando. We saw them in Target, but they were well expensive. We don't want to do that. But we're just gonna go have a wander up there, have a look.
Might get like a cheapy Las Vegas on with like the old Welcome to Las Vegas on. That could be quite funny.
I bet you they're really expensive. But yeah, we're just coming to like the bridge crossing bit when you do that. But we'll obviously bring you along. We just thought we'd let you know that we're successful in that first step of the day. We've made it to Ross. Will they have a suitcase which fulfills our needs? What do you reckon?
100%.
100%?
The guy on the door was super friendly. I'm feeling cold.
Success. We've got a nice blue one to match the pink. $60.
His and hers.
His and hers.
Come to this clothes shop because it had wicked merch in it that Brogan wanted to see, but now I'm lumping around this suitcase because we need it for extra. I've had to take the lift. Brogan's scared of lifts, so she won't mind anyway, but I've had to take the lift and she's took the stairs, so that's going to be but yeah. Drop the water. Made it though. Dropped off the additional suitcase.
Yeah.
Which means we are now free to go and shop to fill the suitcase.
But we don't do too much shopping here because we'll have 2 more locations.
What we really, we really want to go and get
3 if we're counting for that. And so I'm going to shopping there.
We've got space for Disney, space for other locations, but now the job is to go back to the shopping centres and get some food.
Yeah, it's lunchtime. We're going to find some food and just chill. Have a chill day.
I'm starving. I didn't even think about the music in the background, I just wanted to show off the pink sparkles. For example of how you get lost in Vegas.
Yeah, we've ended up in some random place, just trying to get back outside.
The Bellagio was on the signs, then it was off the signs.
Now we look like we're going into a theatre.
And now we're coming up to what looks like a big rabbit on a horse. I really don't know.
What's going on?
Even the carpet's confusing. What is this thing? That's a bit of Brogan.
That's like a dream. Cadbury's World Black chocolate.
It's got a Guinness World Record, world's largest chocolate fountain.
But can I drink it? That's the question.
That looks unbelievable. Bonjour. We made it out of the Bellagio. Not as hard that time, was it? Because we had been there the other day.
You forgot somewhere we could get out.
But now we've made it out. The hunt for food in the other shopping mall continues. We've stopped for lunch from, I think it's Esparo pizza place. I've got some stromboli thing I've never heard of. Brogan, as you can see here in this clip, has taken all the olives off her veggie slice. Do you not like olives?
I don't like olives.
That's a bunch of olives for me. I'll open mine up and show you what I got. But I got we got some garlic bread as well.
Wait, let's put the napkins. Oh, sorry.
There they are. This is my chicken, bacon, something pepperoni stromboli. I've actually just lucked out as well, got some more garlic bread because it's got Parmesan on, which Brogan can't have. So you're gonna have to just munch on your pizza slush. I'm gonna steal your olives as well. Wow, they even haunt me in America. Forever 21. Shame we're approaching 30. No, we're not that close.
No, not yet.
No. All she wanted was a quarter crop top full zip. We've come into Forever 21, of course we have.
I'm freezing.
And they've got it on a deal. You get the top and the bottoms, $30 minus tax. We're just trying to hunt down the size that she wants. Got it. You happy with your purchases?
Yeah, got the crop jacket for when I'm cold in Vegas. And I also got some new black dog buttons because
And
in the deal.
a discount.
Yeah, I got 15% if I provided the email to a company who already have the email, so
Win-win.
win-win.
There we go. You've got an outfit now to stay warm
Yeah,
and for the flight home.
yeah, exactly.
Only Brogan would need to buy a jumper to put on in Vegas. Granted outside, yes, about 30 degrees. Inside here, as most hot places are, the aircon is blasting. But now the jumper is on.
And I get cold wherever I go and I'm just, it's freezing. It makes it unenjoyable because I'm like...
I found this kind of like self-love wall where you can write stuff on, I am such and such. So that's exactly what we're doing. Brogan's writing something. I am at Brogan and Harrison.
Free clothes?
It is, yeah. Hopefully someone reads the wall and picks up. Great idea, I love it. Very cool, very colourful. We made it.
We made it, we've had another Tesla. I've been in 3 Teslas now while being in Las Vegas.
I can't remember what the last clip you saw was. I think we were just maybe leaving after food or about to have food or...
I don't know, we just walked up from the strip down from like the fashion
mall.
Fashion show mall.
Yeah, fashion show mall. We just enjoyed the strip one last time, didn't we?
Yeah, and picked up our bags, packed into the blue case. Blue case is the same as the pink size, so that's good going.
We're going to need this for all the shopping we're about to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, lots of exciting trips coming up. That is going to be full or fuller than the pink one by the time we're done.
Yeah, so we're just going to go, we've checked in, we need to pay for an extra bag, so obviously we've got another one. Got the bags, we're going to have a chill in the airport, we're just shattered.
It's suddenly hit us now we've stopped.
About 1 million steps in the last like 3 days we've been here or whatever.
Averaging 30,000, so...
Yeah, so our bodies are a bit tired.
We're excited for the next leg of the trip.
Though, that's all part of the fun.
Yeah.
We're going to go check in, we'll keep you updated.
Let's do it.
Pretty much it, yeah.
Let's get inside.
Let's get inside the airport.
Welcome, we're back in the Sheraton with some new
Sheraton Gateway, I'm just gonna
Sheraton Gateway.
Because there was 4 points by Sheraton.
4 points by Sheraton.
But we're at the Sheraton Gateway.
The Sheraton Gateway with some new bling. I've got a ring.
Bling, bling, bling. Wing, a wing, wing.
Room. They must have known we got married because we've actually got matching his and her sofas.
We've still got a runway view over there, so hopefully some planes take off on that one.
But this whole, I don't know, I think of first impression, I liked the setup of the bathroom. I like the decor. You know what I mean?
Yeah, we'll go show you the bathroom.
Yeah, nice,
it's pretty much for much of a muchness. Harrison's got his Starbucks cups again. We also, new edition of jewellery, but we also have a new edition of a blue suitcase in the room.
Ah, well, yeah.
The elephant in the room.
I mean, look, before we came, if we actually thought we were going to do... Oh, actually, before we go anywhere, we haven't even shown off our new
I know. I brought Harrison a surprise from...
They're a bit dirty because I've been walking around the strip in me.
6 stories. Oh my god.
Crocs.
Oh my god. The strip is so dirty in Vegas, like it's so dusty. But anyway, show the ankle. We don't want to see your feet.
So anyway, my socks say hubby, flex of the calves, and yours say why the bottom of yours not as dirty as mine?
You were walking around Las Vegas airport in your socks at one point.
I was, yeah.
I can't really show it because wifey.
There we go.
I bought her a surprise. Anyway, we can watch them when we get to our next location, which is yet to be disclosed on YouTube.
Up, we have very good.
Oh, a full-length mirror.
Yeah, I didn't even see that. That's great. Hi guys.
See the socks in there.
Bosh.
Here we are.
A full-length cupboard if you want to store things, I guess.
Probably won't because we'll leave again in the morning.
This, I like this.
This is the bathroom.
I like this. It's had this last time, although it does kind of show all your.
It scares you a bit when you look at it. There's us again.
But this, yeah, I don't know. I just like the decor.
I do like the marble.
What do you think? If we were like Tim, maybe 4 people in here?
I think 3.
4.
No, 3. Look, if
3 that way. But if we went this way, 4, maybe 5.
Maybe 4 if you squeeze, but 3.
Maybe.
So I'm excited. If you don't watch Walk With Me Tim, get watching. But that's what we're on about. Hair dryer! Please don't wreck the gap Harrison.
Anyway, fine.
I feel like I can't remember what the room looked like last time. I haven't like.
Oh, you'll see when you.
Yeah, when I'm editing.
Anyway, this is the room. There's a button stuck on the ceiling.
Yeah, that's so weird. There's like a button stuck to the ceiling. What is that?
We'll have to research that.
What is it?
I don't know. I'm gonna go have a look at it.
Not with them dirty socks. You're not.
Anyway, look at all this space.
Unfortunately, we don't have Disney. Oh, ice bucket. Oh. Breaking the gaff. Yeah, there's a whole letter here.
That's in wonky.
Which says we no longer have Disney because there's been a disagreement, so no Disney Channel. But that's alright, I don't think Friends was on that one. Free water.
Pen.
Harrison loves the free pen, but yeah.
These are pretty. I think it is one sofa.
I bet you sofa bed.
Just with this kind of there, but oh yeah, this is nice.
Oh god, I'll spin it round.
Nice. Yeah, this is nice. I can get used to this. This is where I'm probably gonna eat my Taco Bell.
We're getting a Taco Bell anyway, because we got that the other day, and Harrison, all he's been talking about today is how he wants to get another Taco Bell today.
Not accidentally, I ordered it on purpose, but it was like this deluxe box that came with 2 tacos and a wrap, maybe, and some chips, and it was
some there was like some tortilla chips or something.
It's good.
So yeah, we're gonna just order a Taco Bell. At what time is it? About 8:30?
If you want to know exactly.
We landed half an hour earlier than anticipated. It was only a 47-minute flight.
That's because I didn't push in the door.
Excuse me?
Yeah, that's what it was.
Yes, we're just gonna have a chill night. We're like we're saying earlier, like Vegas has been like we've been such high adrenaline because obviously it was the wedding, but it's just like it's a city. Well, is it? I guess it's a city. Is it? It's like weird. It's like a weird place.
But like I know New York's a city that doesn't sleep, but my gosh, Vegas
is like never sleeps.
It was crazy. But it was awesome.
We're tired. Our bodies feel tired, but we're on to honeymoon tomorrow. I mean, this is wedding moon. It was all much for this, but tomorrow we're going to a place where we can do adventures, but we can also relax.
Which is after and I no word of lie, I dread to think, but like on average, we've been clearing like close to, if not above, 30k steps a day.
Yeah.
Like, and every single day, and not only that, like in the heat.
Yeah.
Like it's a lot. So,
and I've been waking up at like 6:20 every morning.
Well,
I've
had an alarm for the past 3 mornings, and you've been up like before me. And I said
Harrison always gets up before me. Yeah. I've been awake every day before him this week.
This morning was the earliest alarm I set. And
I was still up.
I think I set for 6:30, and you were still up before then.
I'm just waking up like naturally, like nothing's waking me up. So I just need to chill. But yeah,
there's not as much of a rush in the morning per se.
No, I think the flight's at 2.
So we can we've kind
I
of
think checkout up here was 11 anyway, so...
But we'd kind of disclosed with it being a later checkout, like 11ish, not like flying at 2. We'd kind of explored around here the other day when we're here. Probably just have like a chill morning, just recuperate. There's no rush to get up at a set time.
No, we're just gonna have a zen morning. I am gonna wash my hair tonight though, because it's just doing my head in. Like, my hair's just annoying. It's annoying to see. I hate wearing my hair. I don't hate wearing my hair in a high ponytail, but I'm a low pony girl.
It's the worst, isn't it? That headache that you get.
Yeah, I'm a low actually, I've had a headache today. Like, it's been alright. I must have got the right amount of bubbles, but I put my scrunchie in just to make it a bit low pretty, you know. But I'm a low pony gal, but today my middle part in just would not go in for love nor money. And my hair is not like that. Like, I don't know, maybe it was just like the hairspray and the conditioner spray. And I don't know, and yesterday the stress.
I think, you know, I'm at that stage where, because I mean, naturally I've got short hair, but I'm at that stage where like anything goes. Like, it will just, it doesn't matter. Like, even if it's like a bit.
Yeah. But I'm gonna wash it tonight anyway, just so then like it's not annoying us. But we're gonna stop talking because we've been talking for 6 minutes. We're gonna order our Taco Bell. We'll get back to you when it's here.
And do a food haul.
Food haul again, and I need to clear this SD card before tomorrow's adventures. I need to do that. So I actually need to get the laptop out. I did bring the laptop. Yet to turn it on, but I do need to turn it on.
Let's do that.
To like clear this. Anyway, let's order food. Hello. Good morning, we're just here to end the vlog.
It's a theme now. We're carrying it on from Orlando. We always seem to forget.
Yeah. Well, I said we would show our Taco Bell, but guess what we didn't do? Show our Taco Bell.
I can show you the bin that the Taco Bell is in.
I think we're alright. But the Taco Bell's really good.
Yeah.
We had some like the cinnamon twisty crispy things. They were really good.
They were awesome. I really like them.
It was nice. What did we watch on TV last night? Simpsons. The Simpsons. After the whole TV debacle, remember we showed you the letter yesterday?
That was pretty much all that was on that we would enjoy, so we went with that.
Yeah, watch Simpsons. It was good. We like the Simpsons. Harmless comedy.
In the background noise, you don't have to pay too much attention. You know, that type of thing.
Yeah, pretty much. Then went to sleep again. It was bedtime. So we did that.
Big day.
We had our pajamas on. We had our cinnamon crisp. We tried a Reese's like cup with Reese's Puffs in. They were really good. Then went to sleep, but we've got an exciting day. The next vlog can be really exciting, but you'll have to wait and see what's coming for that.
No spoilers
but for now,
here.
We shall see you real soon. Tatty bye!